Hello artists, so today we are going to be watercoloring over our snowmen that we made yesterday. You're probably wondering, why did Miss Falcone make us color our snowmen in yellow crayon? Well, we are going to find out today. First, we are going to get something to put under our paper so the table does not get wet, our watercolors, a cup of water, and a brush. So I'm going to dip my brush in my paint and wait, nothing's coming off my brush. That's because we need to dip our brush in some water. So now we have some water on our brush and we are going to dip it back in the paint and make sure we get some water in the paint, and now our colors will work. And I'm going to keep spreading my paint out on my drawing. Do you see how we can see the snowmen now? After I finish using my green paint, I'm going to clean my brush in the water, and now I can start using my blue paint. It's very important that we keep cleaning our brush in our water so that way our paints do not mix together and our colors don't get muddy. So now I'm just dipping my brush in the water and I'm using the water to spread the paint out. And now I'm using the red, so again, I cleaned my brush before using the red paint just to make sure I got all the blue paint off. I can also mix my paints together on the paper, so see how my green and blue paints are mixing together. Very important though that we clean our brush after each color. So now I'm going in with my purple paint. And this time I'm going to take some of the water off of my brush and go to my purple paint again. And do you see how dark that purple paint is? Is because I did not use that much water in my paint. So the more water we use in our watercolors, the lighter our paint color will be. The less water we use, the darker our paint will be. And so now I'm adding more water and I'm making my purple a little bit lighter on the bottom. And you can use whatever colors you want to use to watercolor on top of your snowmen. I chose to use nighttime colors like blue and purple and green just because this is my snowman at nighttime. So I'm going to keep on adding more water to my paint so I can mix the colors a little bit more together. Okay, and now time for the coolest part. So all you'll need is just some salt. It can be whatever salt you have at home. And first what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put little puddles, small puddles on top of our drawing. So I'm just dunking my brush in the water and getting some water on the paper. And then I'm just taking a pinch of salt, a little bit of salt, and I am sprinkling it over the little puddles we have just made. Please ask an adult for help on this step. If you do not have any salt on hand, that is totally fine. Your snowman will look amazing even without it. So once you put all the salt on top of your drawing, you are gonna wait 10 minutes for your painting to dry. After your painting is dry, brush the rest of the salt that is still on your paper into a garbage can. You can ask for an adult's help on this step. Once we are done, we are going to be left with this cool, sparkly effect on our paper. It almost looks like there is snow falling on the snowmen. Okay, artists, and that is it. Our finished watercolored snowmen. I hope you guys enjoy this project and good luck.